Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow, and in today's video we are going to learn how to build an AI assistant for your language school. If you run a language school, then manually responding to all the queries related to courses and enrollment can be a very time-consuming process. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create an AI agent which will respond to all of these queries and automate the whole process on our behalf. Now, if you want to learn how to create this amazing AI assistant, then let me take you to my screen. This is the AI assistant that I've created for language school. Before we begin the procedure of creating this AI assistant, let me take you to my WhatsApp screen to show you how it works in a real-time example. So here we have arrived on my WhatsApp screen, and to activate the assistant, we have to send this particular message that says, "Hey, I need help." And our AI assistant responds us with, "Of course, I'm here to help. What do you need assistance with?" So here I'm going to ask my first question as, "What language courses do you offer?" And it responds us with, "We offer courses in English, Spanish, French, German and Mandarin at the beginner to advanced levels. If you need more information about any specific course, feel free to ask." So here I'm going to ask another question as, "What are the course fees?" And our AI assistant responds us with, "The course fee starts from 5,000 rupees for a 4-week group course and 12,000 rupees for a 4-week individual course. If you have any other questions or need further details, just let me know." So here I'm going to ask another question as, "Do you provide certificates?" And our AI assistant responds us with, "Yes, we provide a completion certificate after each course level. If you have any more questions or need assistance with enrollment, feel free to ask." So this is the AI assistant that I've created for language school. If you want to create the same, you have to visit Pabbly Chatflow's website, and for that, open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter the URL pabbly.com/chatflow, and it will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user, click on Sign In. However, if you are a new user, click on Sign Up for free. As I'm already an existing user, I will click on Sign In, and it will show me all the apps provided by Pabbly Chatflow. Here we have to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on Access Now, and it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have Dashboard, which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities and stats. Next we have is Inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up we have Contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here you can view and manage them. Then we have Team Queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up we have Template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up we have Broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have Flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have Settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pabbly Chatflow from here. Click on Add WhatsApp Number. Then you will get two options, WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect, and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for Developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. Here you can see all the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining, and the amount of numbers you have added here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. Now let's begin the procedure of creating AI Assistant. And for that, access this feature of AI Assistant from here. And then to create a new one, click on Add AI Assistant. Like this, simply click on Add AI Assistant, and it will redirect us to this page. Here we have to select instruction type. When you click on it, you get a list of all the instruction types. I'm going to select AI Agent. Here, it provides us instructions for as primary functions and as constants. Then Then I'm going to move ahead with setting temperature. It says 0 means focused and 1 means more creative. So here you can enhance or decrease the creativity level. I'm going to enhance it to 0.9. Here it is asking to select AI tool. So I'm going to select OpenAI, and as model I'm going to select GPT 4.0 mini. Here we have to update API token, and for that kindly visit OpenAI API keys page. Click on it and it will redirect us to our OpenAI platform. And here we get a list of all the previously created API keys. To create a new one, simply click on create new secret key. Here you have to provide your assistant name. As Language School Assistant, I'm going to keep the project settings for as default and then click on create secret key. And this key has been created. You have to copy it and paste it here in the place of API token. Then click on connect. And OpenAI key saved successfully. Now we can move ahead with our AI assistant settings. If you want to provide a header, simply enable this toggle message and you will be able to provide your header here. Similarly, you can provide a footer message, stop keywords which will stop the AI from responding, and retry attempts. I'm going to leave them all disabled, and here we get this default fallback message. You can customize it as per your needs. Then I'm going to move ahead with knowledge source. Here you have to provide a knowledge source on the basis of which our AI assistant will be responding to all the questions asked by clients. But make sure that your knowledge source has all the details regarding your business and it is not more than 90 MB and it is in TXT format. So here I'm going to drop my knowledge source like this and it will appear here. It says file uploaded and processed successfully. That means I can move ahead with assistant interface. So here we have to provide our brand name. I'm going to name it Language School. It will appear here like this. Here we can provide header display subheading name. In default setting, it is we are online and happy to assist you. It appears here like this. Here you can provide an initial message. The default initial message is hi there, how can I help you today? Here I'm going to provide another message as hey, how can I assist you? As how can I assist you? To register this message, simply press on enter and it will appear like this here. I'm going to remove this one. Now here it says display the powered by Pabbly label. Here you can see here it displays powered by Pabbly label. If you want to disable it, you simply have to choose the disable option from the drop down and it will stop displaying the powered by Pabbly label. You can also customize your privacy policy. Here I'm going to customize it as Language School Policy. You have to provide your policy link here. Here is user's first initial message. It is a very important part which will activate the AI assistant. So once the user sends this message as hey I need help, our assistant will be activated. Next I'm going to move ahead with our last setting as styling preferences. Here you can customize your AI assistant's appearance as per your requirements. You can change the theme from light to dark. You can change the assistant shape from circle to square or rounded square. You can change assistant's background color or assistant text color, background color or WhatsApp button color, primary chat bubble background color or primary chat bubble text color, footer background color or footer text color. You can also provide a header picture that appears here. You can also change assistant's profile picture and you can even change the background picture. You can modify all your chatbot. Once you're done with the customizations, enable this toggle which will make our AI assistant activated and fully functional. Now this is the Language School AI assistant that we have created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to create the same, you can follow the procedure as I've shown in this video. And once you're done with all your customizations, you can save your AI assistant from here. And once the AI assistant is saved successfully, you are good to go. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubts, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write them on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.